In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename apps in Glide. Whether you're updating branding, fixing a typo, or aligning a project across your workspace, I'll walk you through the exact clicks to change your app's name and make that change live for your users. First, go to Glide. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Glide website. If you're already in the builder, you can stay there. Otherwise, the home page is the quickest way to get started. Next, sign into your account. Use the same login you normally use for your Glide workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all of your projects are listed. Make sure you have edit permissions for this project. If you can't change settings later, you may only have view access. Open the project you want to edit. From the dashboard, locate the app whose name you want to change and click it to open the editor. If you have many projects, the search bar and folders can help you find the right one faster. Double-check you're in the correct project to avoid renaming the wrong app. Inside the editor, look at the top left of the screen. You'll see your app's current name displayed there. Click that name to activate the rename field. This is the official name of your app inside Glide, and the one your team will see in the workspace. Type the new name you want. Keep it clear, concise, and consistent with your brand. Avoid unnecessary symbols or extra punctuation, and make sure the spelling is final before you proceed. This change updates the app's label in Glide. It doesn't alter your app's URL or icon, so your share links and visuals remain the same unless you update those separately. When you're happy with the new name, head to the top right corner and click Publish. Depending on your workspace, this button may read Publish Changes or Update. Publishing saves and pushes your changes so they're reflected for viewers. Give it a moment to process, and then your updated name will be live. That's it. You went to Glide, signed in, opened your project, clicked the name at the top left to rename it, and then published from the top right to make it official. If needed, you can come back and repeat these steps anytime your naming changes. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.